All right, guys, so I'm out here trout fishing today. It's kind of spitting snow, but there's some ice around the edges of the lake, but for the most part, it's open. So I've got this new prototype jib that I just started making. I'll show you a picture of it here in just a minute. Anyway, just put a piece of plastic on there, one of our dolphies. I kind of cut a part of it off and just stuck it on the end. So with no bait or scent or anything at all, I just hooked into a decent trout. And so I'm kind of excited. Just cast it out with the float. I'm just switching that thing. And that bobber went down and caught a nice trout. So pretty excited. So anyway, I'll post a few pics of this jig and stuff, and I'm gonna keep fishing, see how things go. And I'll keep you posted. See you soon. Okay, just hooked up with my second trout on this jig. And this water's crystal clear. So I can get this guy in a little closer. Eat that. I'll let him go. I just caught my third trout. Butterfish. Kind of had to switch colors. I got it hung up and broke my old one off. So instead of pink, I'm using orange. There, nice fish. A lot of fun, man. Ultralight, white plastic, orange shake. All right, guys. Fish number 4. Another decent keeper. Caught that on the orange jig too, so a lot of fun. And with the float, ultralight. Just got another little guy. And he is little. Same jig. Gonna let this guy go.